we just picked up this 1976 Plymouth Roadrunner. It's a big block 400 with the factory 4-speed. Of course, my favorite year is the 73, but this has got some rare options and some rare deletes on it, because this is actually factory. Or at least I think that's what Buck said, but we're going to find out more. I want to run the numbers, see what's going on with everything. Of course, someone painted it dark color, or this wonderful orangish red. So, and she's gonna haul it home now sometime. I mean, it's small, but hey, it's a Roadrunner, right? It is blistering hot, but we got the 58 Star Chief down, and yes, yeah, of course, definitely.
Of course, it doesn't help when you got 4 flat tires.
Oh, I know. So definitely factory AC. See the unit there? Gonna have to run the VIN plate to see what kind of engine this had. It's got a huge frame on it. It was a little too dangerous to get underneath this, take it underneath the car a shot. But man, I'm tired because I was ringing on that camel long. But yeah, she's pretty much almost complete. He's got his AC, factory AC. Ashtrays there, cigarette lighter, clock, another ashtray. Of course, there's the valve for everything, and 120 on the speedometer. Yeah, park, neutral, drive, low gear, and reverse. Of course, got your lights right here. Not sure what exactly this is. I think it is for the mirror, but I'm not quite exactly sure. I'm not sure if you're too familiar with it either. Oh, that's hot metal. Whoa. Okay. Other than that, this Star Chief has landed. I gotta finish ratcheting it back, but
it's kind of neat because there's 3 Pontiac parked.
I know, and this
58 and 56.
Yeah, and they got the 34 over there, but we're gonna step back, and just 2-year difference. See, look at that. And just the 10-year difference between the Bonneville and the Chieftain. They sure mutated a lot. Yeah, the Chieftain. We'll talk about that in the future. Why we all thought was a Star Chief, because that's kind of an interesting thing.
I think what happened was,
well, Buck told me what it was.
Yeah, Buck. The guy Buck got it from told Buck that was a Star Chief. So we assumed it was a Star Chief.
Yeah, and they had the chrome pieces in the back too they put in, but then he filled the holes in.
Right.
I mean,
ran the VIN numbers and found out it's actually a Chieftain.
Yeah, Chieftain.
It's an easy mistake. I mean, if you look at a Star Chief and look at a Chieftain, yeah, there's a little bit of length difference, but it's pretty close.
Yeah, so we're not ever going to make that mistake again. And Buck's being more careful about that stuff, and I'm trying not to get bit by a fly, but
he is mad that he was lied to, though.
Yeah. He did have Star Chief stuff on this. I pointed out one video which is no longer gone, but he did drill some holes back here. So he had some Star Chief stuff on this, but it was not a proper Star Chief. So that's why he told Buck and relayed it to us and told us everything about it, that this was a Star Chief. Well, no, it's a Chieftain Catalina. So again, our sincere apologies about it. So
I'm actually okay with it.
Oh yeah, I mean, we're gonna turn this, modernize it and turn it into a cruiser. Heck yeah.
I'm actually just tickled that it's a 2-door hardtop.
Oh yeah.
It's a 56 too.
I know, but yeah, it's huge difference between 2 years.
Whether it's a Chieftain or a Star Chief.
Yeah, so now we got 4 brands of, well, 4 types of Pontiacs. Not sure what that 2-door sedan is over there at 34. But now we got a 58 Star Chief, 66 Bonneville, and a 56 Chieftain Catalina. So how about that? And of course, almost everything's open on the car. where the gas filler is. This doesn't want to open too far. This has a giant trunk space for it. We still gotta sift through all this. I'm gonna close it. It's hot. It's gotta be like 94, 95 out. But I want to just leave it tied up here with those chains because it's too hot for my liking. We had this door open once, but doesn't want to open now. But all in all, I mean, hey, project car for the future.
Yeah, I originally thought about doing a 2-door jobber out of it, but the more I look at it, I go,
yeah, we'll turn others into 2 doors, especially what we have planned once we.
Yeah, and I never done it before, and if I'd accidentally mess it up, this body's too damn good.
I've done it twice, helping Buck. Done one sedan style, another one a pure 2-door hardtop, 2-door stuff, which I'll show that in a future video, but only demonstration with pictures and everything until we get the proper equipment. So all in all, that's pretty much everything. By the way, please do subscribe to us. There's a huge number that's watching but not subscribing. That actually does hurt us. So if you can subscribe and help us pass 1,000 subscribers by year's end, please do so. Got a Facebook and an Instagram. If you want to follow us on those, please do so. Got many more cars to save for once we get the rest of the vehicles. And the 76 Roadrunner, see if it is a big, well, it comes back as an Eco, which is a 318, but someone put the, I think the 400 into it, but doesn't care. It's a factory 4-speed. And it actually had a lot of accessories in it, and it's also, I guess, some rare accessories on it as well. So I gotta research it more once I get that home. Didn't expect to get another Roadrunner, but we got 2 Roadrunners now. I mean, hey, we're starting to collect Roadrunners and anything, so.
76.
Yeah. And we're starting to work on some stuff, but we can't show it right now until a future video, because now we're going to be putting out 1 videos per week, so that way it gives us plenty of content. Well, I shouldn't say content, but plenty of time throughout the week to give all you content. Yeah.
I do like the second rear.
Oh, I know. Those rear. But all in all, thank you very much. And he's actually here for once.
Yeah, I actually get more than 1 day off.
Yeah, he was actually able to get a full night's rest. So on behalf of me and Tucker here, we wish you all to do. There's many more vehicles to save. And once we get all of those and stuff, we'll go into phase 2. And then we'll go into phase 3 once we pass the 20,000 subscriber mark. I know it's a little too far, you know, ahead on that mark, but we're making a good goal step here. So we shall get you all another time. I'm tired. Get out of the heat here shortly. So y'all have a go now and take care and stay safe. See you later.